Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Limited. This Sierra is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra AT4, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control as well, integrated chairless braking system, wireless charging, USB ports, 12 volt and an outlet as well for all of your charging and power needs. Dual glove box, locking bottom, Bose audio, and those leather black seats with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, blacked out window trim, AT4 badging, 6.2 liter V8 plaque. Vehicle has the 2-inch lift up front from the factory, that AT4 suspension, nice and big. Coming to the front, color matched front grille. You do have the signature red tow hooks, LED fog lights, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals. Making our way to the back here, remote start equipped crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the truck, your color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, GM MultiPro tailgate and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready and have the in-seat storage feature. Sliding rear window with defrost. Extra headroom over top and LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.